So again, ang pag-uusapan is eye glow. Alam niyo naman po, for the past few months, ito po yung mga bagong produkto po natin na kailangan talagang malaman natin. Ano bang silbi? Okay, ng collagen. Kaya nga sabi dito, collagen unveiled. Okay? Unleashing the potential of eye glow 24/7. Saan natin nakuha yung first part po? Collagen, medically reviewed by Cleveland Clinic. Medical professional. Okay, on May 23, 2022. Then, top 6 benefits of taking collagen supplements. Yun eh. Okay, ano ba talagang benepisyo? Okay, ba't natin kailangan ng collagen supplements by healthline.com, medically reviewed by Imashi Fernando, okay, and by Gavin Van de Waal, okay, and Brianna Elliott. Okay, so January 2, 2023. So, kung mapapansin niyo po, talagang bagong-bago po yung ating mga sources. Okay? Game! So, again, to sum it up, ang tanong pa rin, ano ba ang collagen? Okay? What is collagen? Okay? Again, kung maganda po yung sound ko, pakitype niyo po dyan kasi baka mamaya po medyo mahina po yung sound ko, magandang naririnig nating mabuti. Ayun, malakas. Okay, so what is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. So when you talk about the nutrients, we have three basic nutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, and of course, fats. Okay? At 30% ng proteins are composed of what? Collagen. So, nawin natin ha. It is the primary building block of your body's skin. Ito po, muscle, bones, tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues. Yun yung magandang word po doon. Connective tissues. What else? It's also found in your organs, internal organs, even the blood vessels, and intestinal linings. Kaya nga, my dear leaders, every time they ask me, Doc, importante ba yung collagen? Ang sagot ko simple, napaka-importante. Klaro? Okay, game. Paporma na ako. Game na tayo. Okay, let's get it on. So again, what is collagen? Sabi nga po, ang proteins po, merong building blocks yan. Ang tawag po doon, amino acids. Okay? And listen to this one. Ang main amino acids po that will comprise a collagen is, first, proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. Yang tatlong yan ang gumagawa ng collagen, or should I say, are the compositions of collagen. Now, your body also needs the proper amount of vitamin C, Doxy Supreme, yeah, zinc, copper, and manganese, pwedeng C24/7 or complete, to make the triple helix. Okay, so yun po yung mga components ng isang collagen. We're clear with that one, okay? Now, Doc, let's continue. Ito na po. So, ang tanong pa rin syempre sa atin, ano ba ang ginagawa ng collagen sa ating katawan? Ano bang significance niyan? Okay? So, collagen's main role is to provide structure. That's number one. Okay? Then, strength and support throughout your body. Sandali lang po May nakita kong napaka-importanting kailangan ko munang sagutin po for a while lang po. Okay? Yan. For a while lang po Pasensya na po. Okay? Yan. Sandali lang. May nakita kong message coming from our Vice President. Okay? Sandali lang po. Yan. Yan. Okay po. Yan. Okay. Good, good. Pasensya na po. Yan. Alam niyo naman po, pag ganito kailangan na hasagot natin mabuti, no? So, what does collagen do? Ulitin ko po. It provides structure, strength, and support throughout your body. Now, ano ba mga role ng collagen? Number one, helping fibroblast to form in your dermis. Ano yung dermis? Epidermis po yung nasa labas. Nasa loob po nun, yung middle skin layer, yung pong dermis. Which helps new cells to grow. So, importante yan, Dok. So, ibig sabihin po, nagpapatibay din ang balat. Yes. What else? Playing a role in replacing dead skin cells. I would like to remind you, my dear leaders, anatomically speaking, our skin cells will die and change within 25 to 45 days. So, tumutulong po ito para po ma-replace natin yung mga dead skin cells natin. Okay? And, okay, providing a protective covering for organs. Yun na po. What else? Giving structure, strength, and elasticity to your skin and helping your blood tuklat. So, doon pa lang alam na po natin how important collagen is to our body. Are we clear? Yan. Okay, ha? So, i-type niyo po dyan. Collagen is important. Okay? Type niyo po para interactive tayo. Collagen is important. Yan. At habang tinatype niyo po, pusuan niyo ng pusuan. And again, paki-share na po because I would like you to really appreciate the new products of our company. Okay? So, let's continue with this. My dear leaders, we have 5 main types of collagen. Okay, type 1. This type makes up 90% of your body's collagen. Okay, yung type 1 po. Type 1 is densely packed and used to provide structure to your skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. So, napaka-importante. Okay, type 2. Found in elastic cartilage, which provides joint support. So, yung cartilage, napaka-importante po yan. Okay, sa ating mga joints po, pag yung mga buto, okay, para hindi po maging masakit yan, may cartilage po, para siyang cushion eh. Okay? So, doon po makikita mo naman, madami doon yung type 2 na collagen. Type 3 will be found where? Muscles, blood vessels, especially the arteries, and again, the internal organs. Yung type 4, makikita mo rin po sa balat yan. At ang type 5 po naman, cornea of your eyes, some layers of the skin, buhok, and tissues of the placenta. At syempre, pag sinabi niyo placenta, babae lang po ang meron po noon. Okay, our female partners. Yan. Nagtatype na po sila, collagen is important. Very good. Uy, my good friend Tihan Jun is also watching. Okay, Brad, I'm sure nag-enjoy ka sa iyong flight sa Cebu with the sabi nga pa with the Hall of Famers of AIM-1. Okay, now let's continue with this. Okay, now, there will be important structural proteins in the human body na kung saan importante po ang collagen. Number 1 will be the eyes. The cornea is made up of collagen. Sinasabi nga po natin, collagen fibers of uniform thickness. Why? Anong function ng cornea? It will allow light to pass through smoothly. Pangalawa, skin. Collagen accounts for 70% of the skin's composition. Doon pa lang po, alam mo na, siya po yung magdadagdag ng elasticity and it will be able to protect the human body. Ganun ka-importante po ang balat natin. Sa buto naman po, collagen binds calcium to bone cells. So, pag nag-bind po yan, ano mangyayari? They will try to strengthen the bones and helping the body perform high-intensity activities. So, my dear leaders, we need that. Okay? Sa utak po, yung glial cells naman po that supplements the brain's nutrient cells are supported by collagen. Okay? So, importante pa rin pati pala sa utak. At sa ngipin, yung hardness and elasticity of teeth are also related to collagen. Okay? Now, internal organs, the stomach, liver, heart, lungs, and so on and so forth, okay, are surrounded by a type of collagen fibers. And finally, even your muscles, even our muscles. Collagen connects cells to cells, protecting the body while, okay, imparting soft properties. Okay, so sabi nga po, Doc, to sum it up, ang laki ng part ng katawan natin na kung saan kailangan po ang collagen. Are we clear? Okay, very good. Yan. Sige, share nyo pa po, share nyo pa. Okay? At pusuan nyo rin po, pusuan natin to. Okay? Now, Doc, let's continue with this. Ang tanong, ano po bang nangyayari pag tayo po ay nagkakaedad na? Pag diniretso natin, pag tayo po ay tumatanda na. Yan. Ito po yan, pakinggan mabuti. Our body produces less collagen as we age. Whether you would like to accept it or not, irreversible po ito. Talagang mangyayari po yan. Okay? And existing collagen breaks down at a faster rate. Okay? Now, so, Dok, nababawasan na po. Yes. The collagen is also lower in quality than when we were younger. Imagine niyo, no, ito na lang yung pinakasimple. Tingnan niyo po yung mga lolo't lola nyo. Okay, yung mga magulang po ninyo. Even you, tingnan niyo po yung mga old pictures niyo, yung mga pictures niyo ng bata pa po kayo. At ang laki talaga ng difference. Especially sa facial skin natin, yung mga wrinkles po. Explain ko mamaya yan. But again, may kinalaman ng collagen. Women experience a significant reduction in collagen production after, ito na po, my dear ladies, pasensya na po kayo, after menopause. And it's normal for everyone to experience a decline in collagen production, especially after the age of 60. Okay? So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano karaming collagen ang nababawas as we age. Ito na po yan. Okay? So, Doc, human collagen loss diagram. Pakinggan mabuti po ito. Sabi nga po, adolescents, before 25 years old, palakpakan ng malakas. 100% pa ang collagen production. Very good. Okay? Pag tumungtong na po ng 30 hanggang 45 years old, below 60 years old, naku po, 85% to 50% na lang po ang collagen production. Pag tumungtong na tayo ng mga senior citizen age, yan na po, 20% to 10% na lang. At pag lumagpas ka na ng 80, I'm sorry for the word, termination. Wala na pong collagen. Tapos na ang usapan. Pakinggan mabuti po ito. Okay? The collagen that exists in the body will decrease year by year at a rate of 15% every 10 years after the age of 25. See? So, sabi nga po natin, Doc, talagang hindi na maiiwasan. Anatomically speaking, it cannot be prevented. It's bound to happen. Okay? Now, ang tanong, Doc, can I tell if my body's collagen level is decreasing? Yes. Kita naman talaga. Physically, it can be seen on our face, especially. Lalo sa balat. Skin that's wrinkled, creepy or sagging, hollowing in and around your eyes and face. Okay, parang lumulubog, sabi nga po natin. Shrinking, weakening muscles and muscle aches. Diba? Yung iba, palagi ang dali na magkaroon ng muscle pains. Ayusin ko lang po muna. Ayusin ko lang po. Okay, yan. Itaas ko lang ng konti po. Next. Stiffer, less flexible tendons and even ligaments. Okay? Diba pag tayo po'y bata, napaka-flexible natin. Pero as we age, diba parang naging stiff na yung katawan natin? Joint pains or osteoarthritis due to worn cartilages. Okay, tandaan niyo po, ang mga cartilage natin, malaking part din po yan ng collagen. Loss of mobility due to joint damage or stiffness. Okay, and gastrointestinal problems due to what? Thinning of the lining of your digestive tract, and of course, problems with blood flow. So as you can see here, talagang as we age at bumababa na yung collagen natin, marami ng parts ng katawan natin ang naaapektuhan, especially our mobility. Dry skin, dull skin, wrinkling, weak joints, and of course, brittle nails, kasama na rin po doon. Now, may mga lifestyle habits po tayo na nakaka-damage ng collagen. Ito lilinawin ko po para po sa ating mga kapatid who's watching right now. Okay? Pag ito po ay ginagawa ninyo o ng mga kamag-anak nyo, I will assure you, it will really affect your skin. Okay? Especially yung collagen production natin. Now, why? Number one, smoking. Ano sinasabi? Ang paninigarilyo po will decrease collagen production. Yun, diretsuhan na po yun. It damages collagen and elastin. It will lead to what? Wrinkles. Slow wound healing. Pag nagkasugat ka, tagal bago gumaling. Nicotine constricts blood vessels. Pinapasikip yung blood vessels. Hindi makakadali ng magandang dugo near your skin surface. Preventing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients, of course, to that very important part of the body, which is the skin. Now, look at this. Kinumpara po yung naninigarilyo, yung nasa kanang screen nyo, at yung hindi naninigarilyo, yung balat, ang ganda po. Okay? Sabi nga po, smoker's face is the result of puckering on a cigarette. Yung laging, di ba? And squinting in reaction to smoke, which creates deep wrinkles around the mouth and eyes, and so on and so forth. Ang dami po niyan. Sabi nga po, damage to skin fibers, wrinkles, sagging of the eyelids, bags under the eyes, premature aging of skin on our body, and so on and so forth. Okay. And to make it so simple, smoking accelerates the aging process by 10 to 20 years. So kung gusto niyo po talagang medyo tumagal yung pagtanda natin, sisimplehan ko na po, stop smoking. Okay? Tell your loved ones, your friends, your relatives to quit smoking. Okay? Pangalawa. Okay? Ito pa. Naku, patay tayo dito. Guilty ako dito. Okay? So, I will be honest to all of you. Yung eating too much sugar and refined carbs. Okay? Sabi nga po natin ako po ay may sweet tooth kung tawagin natin. Yung mahilig po talaga sa mga matatamis. Okay? Mahilig po sa mga chocolates, no? Nako, sugar attaches to proteins. Yun ang problema. Okay? Toxic sugar yung mga yan to form advanced glycation end products. And these molecules will damage nearby proteins and cause what? Collagen to become weak, dry, and brittle. Titigan niyo po. Look at the two pictures. Yung nasa kaliwa, ito yung mga collagen na non-aged skin. Malamang healthy to. Umiiwas sa mga chocolates, sa mga sobrang mga matatamis. Okay? Ito na yung may hilig sa mga, sabi nga po natin, yung mga sugar or refined carbs. Okay? Mag-a-attach po yung mga yon sa mga collagen po natin. Anong mangyayari? Collagen binds with a toxic sugar and that will result into what? Aged skin, wrinkles, okay po, and so on and so forth. So, Doc, so dapat pala binabawasan. Kung hindi mo kayang iwasan totally, bawasan nyo po. Okay, so, i-type nyo po dyan. Okay, type nyo po. Okay? Lessen your sugar intake. Yan. Okay, sa Tagalog, bawasan ang sobrang matatamis. Yon. Okay, type nyo po ha. Bawasan ang sobrang matatamis. Tapos, pusuan natin ang pusuan. Okay, what else? Ito na. Uy, isa pa. Exposure to UV light. Again, my dear leaders, I would like to remind you, kailangan pa rin magpa-araw tayo. Pero sinasabi ko po lagi namin sinasabi ni Miss Ping, pag nagpapa-araw po tayo, dapat po talaga yung mga in between 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the morning for only 20 minutes. Okay, importante pa rin po, tinatamaan tayo ng araw para pagtama po ng sunlight sa ating balat, yung pong cholesterol under your skin will be converted to become what? Vitamin D. So, kailangan din po yung para sa buto natin. Pero pag yung mga bandang alas 11, alas 12, alauna, alas 2 ng hapon, uy, UV light. Pangit na ho yan. Bakit? Remember this. Explain ko Sabi nga po, pag sobra-sobra po yung sunlight, okay, it will reduce collagen production. And that can cause collagen to break down more rapidly. Yun ang pangit pag tayo po masyadong naaarawan. UV sunlight causes wrinkles. Anong kailangan gawin? Avoid excessive sun exposure and always wear what? Sunscreen. Okay, sabi nga po may SPF 30. Okay, sun protective factor 30 and higher when you're outside. If you will be going outside, magsuot ka ng mga ganyan, mag-apply ka ng mga SPF 30. So, why? Titigan niyo po mabuti. Okay? Yung UV. Anong ginagawa po ng mga UV? Okay, hinawin natin to para makita po natin. Increase macrophage activation. Ano mangyayari po? Magkakaroon ng inflammation or swelling sa balat natin. Okay? Next, pag tumama po yung UV, it will increase the so-called matrix metalloproteinases, fibroblasts. Pag tumataas yan, collagen loss ang result. And of course, pinapataas niya yung oxidation that will damage your tissues. So as you can see here, my dear leaders, talagang dapat po, kung magpaparaw tayo, hindi ganun katagal at dapat po yung tamang oras, which is of course 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock for only 20 minutes. Are we clear? Now, what else? Diretso natin. So, may mga sakit pa rin po. Okay, at ibang factors na pwede rin makasira sa collagen. What are these? First, autoimmune diseases. Yan. Okay? Ano yung autoimmune? Your body's immune system attacks its own tissue. Yung sarili nating immune system, sinisira mismo yung tissues natin. And that can also cause damage to your what? To your collagen. So, yung rheumatoid arthritis, yung mga systemic lupus erythematosus, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, connective tissue diseases, they are known to damage what? Collagen. What else? Genetic mutations, okay, can also cause damage to your collagen. And madami mga binanggit Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, osteogenesis imperfecta, and so on and so forth. So, ito po mga to, pasensya na po, yan yung mga hindi mo may iwasan. Yung kanina kaya mong iwasan Okay, yung exposure sa UV light, okay, yung pagkain ng mga sobrang matatamis, yung sunlight. But this one, hindi mo may iwasan yan. Okay? Sabi nga po, it's in your genes. Now, let's continue. So, ang tanong pa rin. Uy, si Randy Gregorio, okay, ang ating pong DCO, okay, ng Los Baños. Ako, napakasipag po nito. He's watching right now. Yung anak po niya nga pala, isa po sa ating mga kandidato sa Miss iGlow natin. Okay, so, Brother Randy, kamusta ka na? Okay, sabi nga, buti na lang yung anak ay manang-mana po sa asawa at kay Randy. Yo. But again, I wish you well and your family, Brad. Okay? Now, What can I do to improve collagen loss to slow the signs of aging? Ano bang kailangan natin gawin para po mabawasan yung pagkasira ng ating collagen? Okay? To slow the effects of skin aging, wear sunscreen every day. Okay? Exposure to UV light damages collagen. Sinabi ko na kanina. At ano kailangan gamitin? Sun protection power. If we're gonna simplify this, SPF. Okay. Nag-hello na po sa akin si Brother Randy. Uy! Si Tita Nancy Requinto Aliviano from Cebu, of course. Kamusta ka na po dyan, Tita Nancy? See you soon sa Cebu po. Okay? Ito yung mga good friends natin, yung mga top leaders po natin sa Cebu. Okay? Now, Doc, ano yun? SPF 30 or higher? Yes. Explain ko kung bakit po. Wear a wide-brimmed hat pag lalabas kayo, lalo sa mga kababaihan po. Sunglasses will be of good help. With UV protection, syempre dapat. Yung mga salamin nyo, may UV protection po yan. And lightweight, long-sleeved shirts and pants pag kayo po ay nasa labas. Lalo na po sa mga oras na 10 o'clock to 4 p.m. Now, look at this. Look for clothing with an ultraviolet protection factor label for extra protection and avoid tanning beds. So, anong sinabi natin? 30 or higher. Why? Ito yung UVB. Pag walang sunscreen, okay, syempre po, mas delikado po yan. Pag SPF 15, ano sinasabi po dito? Okay, blocks 93.3% of UVB. Okay. Pag SPF 30, yan yung requirements po natin, 96.7% of UVB ang nabablock. Pag SPF 45, which is better of course, 97.8 na po ang nabablock na UVB. At pag SPF 50 plus, it blocks 98% of ultraviolet. Okay, B, kung tawagin natin yan. So, Doc, ganun pala kaganda yung mga SPF na yung mga sun protection factor. That's why, again, lalo po sa mga nagsiswimming, importante po na meron tayo niyan. Nag-a-apply dapat tayo. Are we clear? Yan. Tinitingnan ko pa yung mga ating mga kapatid eh. Yan. Parami na tayo ng parami. Sige, invite. Again, share this link for our brothers and sisters to really appreciate this wonderful topic called as collagen. Okay, now, ano pang kailangan gawin? Okay? Eat a well-balanced diet like the Mediterranean diet. My dear leaders, look at this one. Sabi nga po, loaded with vegetables, beans, whole grains, nuts and fruits, and moderate amount of seafood, meats, poultry, dairy, and eggs. Titigan nyo pinasa picture, yan po, magandang source ng collagen. Paborito ko po dyan, salmon. Sarap naman talaga eh, no? Of course, I love fish. Sabi nga po natin, and vegetables and fruits. Napaka-importante po. Okay, so, yan yung mga kailangan kainin natin para makatulong po, okay, sa paggawa po ng collagen sa katawan natin. Now, eto na yung tanong. Does eating collagen-rich foods increase the collagen level in my body? Let me try to clarify this issue para hindi po confusing. Collagen can be absorbed by your body in its whole form. Okay, yung whole form, hindi kayang absorb ng katawan. Your body breaks down the collagen proteins you eat into amino acids. So, kailangan i-break down po ng katawan natin yon into amino acids para ma-absorb natin. So, sabi nga po, to be honest, eating collagen-rich foods doesn't directly result in higher collagen levels in your body. Okay? Pero, may nangyayari nga. Ano yon? Ito ko yan. Okay? Many foods that provide the raw ingredients that supports collagen production can be eaten as part of a healthy diet. At ano yung mga pagkain na yon? It should contain amino acids, protein, and glycine, hydroxyproline if you want. Okay, vitamin C, zinc, and copper are also needed for the process. But again, proline and glycine. Okay? Now, Doc, sabi mo nga kanina pag yung collagen mismo na kinakain, coming from the food, hindi kaagad na-absorb. Anong kailangan? Ano ngayon yung tinatawag na collagen peptides? I-type nyo po dyan. Type nyo po. Collagen peptides. Okay? Para interactive tayo. Parami na tayo ng parami. Sige po. We need to learn these words. Okay? I-type nyo po. My dear leaders. Okay? Lahat mo nanood ngayon. I-type nyo po dyan ngayon. Collagen peptides. Type it down there. Okay? Tapos pusuan natin. Okay? Sige po. Type nyo po. Ito yan Ang collagen peptides po are small pieces of animal collagen. Collagen can't be absorbed in a whole form. Sinabi ko na kanina yan. Yung collagen na kinain mo, hindi ka agad ma-absorb ng katawan yan. it has to be broken down into smaller peptides or amino acids. Clear po tayo. Yan. Sige, tinatype po nila. Collagen peptides. Ngayon, oral collagen supplements, yun. Pakita ko na nga. Ito na. Okay? Like this one. Okay? Come in the form of pills and powders. Yung sa atin po, powder. Maliwanag. Let's continue. They usually contain 2 or 3 amino acids. In our case, 3 amino acids, sabi nga po natin, they are sold as collagen peptides or the other word will be what? Hydrolyzed collagen. Okay. Na-type niyo na po yung collagen peptides. O, sige, ngayon naman po, i-type niyo po dyan, hydrolyzed collagen. Okay, hydrolyzed collagen. Mamaya po, di-define ko po sa inyo yung hydrolysis or hydrolysis kung tawagin po natin. Collagen peptides are what? Absorbed through or gastrointestinal tract. Yun po yun. Okay? So, yung mismong collagen, protein, pag kinain mo, hindi ka agad na-absorb. Pero pag na-convert na po natin to into collagen peptides, kaya nang i-absorb. Yung sa ating nga lang po talaga, yung nasa powder, yung nasa supplement natin, na iGlow, it's already what? Collagen peptide na po ito. Basahin ko po ha. Biofermented hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Yun po yun. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides. So pag hydrolyzed collagen peptide po, mabilis nang ma-absorb ng katawan. So what are the proven benefits of taking collagen peptides? Hydrates the skin. Supports strong and pain-free joints. Kailangan yon. Improves muscle recovery. Post-workout, yung mga nag-gym dyan, okay, nag-weights. Decreases the frequency of broken nails, pampatibay ng kuko. Okay? Helps control your appetite. Uy, kailangan ng karamihan yan. Builds strong bones. And of course, may help with leaky gut. Pati po sa ating GIT, gastrointestinal tract, kailangan po natin to. Very good. Thank you very much for typing hydrolyzed collagen. Sino Javelin Vidad, thank you very much. Marifec Cainias, thank you very much. Now, let's continue with this. So, ang tanong, Doc, top 7 health benefits of collagen, bangitin ko muna sa picture. Maintains a healthy gut barrier, okay, improves the appearance of hair, skin, and nails, impacts joint health, supports weight management, maintains your heart health, supports bone formation, and impacts detox and liver function. So, my dear leaders, eto na po. What are the health benefits of taking collagen supplements? Collagen supplements na po ang pinag-uusapan natin. Are you ready? Game na po. Ano bang benefit ng pag-inom nito? Yung tanong lagi dun eh. Okay, so, my dear leaders, if you're ready, kasi tingnan na kayo mga comment nyo eh, no? Yung iba, si Tita Nancy, napawaw. Okay, game na po, Tita Nancy. Let's start it on. Okay, let's get it on, should I say. Let's start. May improve skin health. That's number 1. Okay. Ang collagen po, as I've said earlier, is a major component of your skin. Okay? Anong function po? Strengthening skin as well as what? Elasticity and hydration. Importante yun. Dapat hydrated lagi ang balat natin para pag hinahawakan po siya, supple, malambot. Okay? As we age, our body produces less collagen. Bilanggit ko na rin yan. Leading to dry skin and of course, formation of, ay, ang sakit banggitin, wrinkles. Okay. Now, however, naalala ko tuloy si Sir Jun. However, okay, Sir Jun, okay, several studies have shown that collagen peptides or supplements containing collagen may help slow the aging of your skin by reducing wrinkles and dryness. Inuulit ko, as we age, nakikita ang wrinkles. So, pwede po tayong mag-collagen peptides or supplements. Why? Para mapabagal po, okay, yung pag-age ng ating skin. Mabawasan po yung mga wrinkles at dryness ng balat natin. Ang word ma-delay, okay, mabawasan. Because inevitable po talaga, okay, yung pagtanda ng ating balat. Okay, pero still, mapapabagal natin. Now, ito po. One review of 11 studies focusing mostly on women found that ito na. Ito yung mga studies ha. Pakinggan nyo mabuti ito. Taking 3 to 10 grams of collagen per day for an average of 69 days or more than 2 months led to improvements in skin elasticity and hydration. Uy! Anong bilangit? 3 to 10 grams. Titigan nyo po. Ang sa atin po, 6 grams. 6,000 milligrams. Pasok tayo sa quota. So, these supplements may work by stimulating your body to produce collagen on its own. Yun ang maganda po doon. Okay? Additionally, Yung mga collagen supplements like our eye glow may promote the production of other proteins that help structure your skin, including what? Elastin and fibrillin. So, doon pa lang alam mo na, importante po yung produkto natin. Are we clear? Yan. Balat pa lang ang pinag-uusapan ha. Pangalawa, may relieve joint pains. Ito, I will be honest, nararamdaman ko na rin po talaga yung mga joint pains. I'm 50 years old, turning 55 by next month, okay? Sabi nga po dito, collagen helps maintain the what? Integrity of our cartilage. Yun yung cartilage, oh. Nasa mga end ng mga buto natin. Para nga po pag nagra-rub po yan, hindi magiging masakit. Pag yan po yung nababawasan na, nasisira yung cartilage, pag nagra-rub yung mga buto natin, it will cause too much pain. Maliwanag po. Okay, yung mga tinatawag na osteoarthritis, kitang-kita po sa picture yan. Now, eto na. Pag nabawasan po ang collagen amount, okay, tumataas na po yung risk ng degenerative joint disorders. Binanggit ko na yung word, osteoarthritis. Ang sabi ng mga studies, collagen supplements may help improve symptoms of osteoarthritis and reduce what? Overall joint pains. Kaya nga ako, I'm really taking our products. Gusto ko to. Okay? Sabi nga po sa inyo, when you talk about the joints, ramdam na ramdam ko na po yan. So, sa ngayon po talaga, so far, the effect is good. Okay? Sabi po ng mga studies in people with osteoarthritis, they found out that taking collagen led to significant improvements in joint stiffness and overall osteoarthritis symptoms. So, my dear leaders, if you're suffering from osteoarthritis, I will recommend to you iGlow 24/7. Maganda po talaga to. Sabi po ng mga research, they theorize that supplemental collagen may accumulate in cartilage and will stimulate your tissues to make collagen. Tumutulong po ito, sabi nga po natin, mag-i-stimulate po yan para yung tissue mo gumawa rin ng sariling collagen, and in turn, this may lead to what? Lower inflammation, better joint support, and reduce pain. Lahat po tayo ayaw natin ng pain. Gusto po natin mobile po tayo. Ayaw natin maging stiff. Sabi nga po. And again, why not try this one? Sabi nga sa studies, talagang nakakatulong. Okay? Next. Ano pa sinabi? May prevent bone loss. Yun na. Inuulit ko po, our bones are made mostly of what? Collagen. And they give the structure and strength to our bones. Okay? At pag bumababa na yung collagen, okay? As we age, pati po yung buto natin. Okay? Na-apektuhan po yung bone mass. Bumababa, humihina rin yan. At inuulit ko, kung kanina osteoarthritis, yung mga joints, ngayon naman po ang tawag dito, osteoporosis. It's different. Osteoarthritis, we're talking about what? Yung mga cartilage natin, okay po, namamaga po yung mga dulo ng buto natin, that's osteoarthritis, inflammation of the bones. Ito naman po, humihina yung buto. Characterized by what? Low bone density and mataas ang risk for what? Bone fracture. So, again, madami ba tayong mga kaibigan na ganyan na po? Yes, yung matatanda, yung mga lolo't lola po natin, tito-tita, okay? Pagtungtong po ng age 60, 70, 80, yan na, nagpo-fracture na po. Sabi po ng studies, pakinggan niyo po ito, that collagen supplements may help inhibit the bone breakdown that leads to osteoporosis. So, napipigilan, okay, yung paghina ng buto. Okay? Ito pakinggan niyo po ito, maganda pag mga studies na binabanggit in a 12-month study, post-menopausal women, ito yung mga 51 years old, 52, 53, okay, took either calcium and vitamin D supplements with 5 grams of collagen. So, tatlo yun lang, calcium, vitamin D, collagen. Compared sa calcium and vitamin supplement na walang collagen. Ito, kinumpara, yung isa may collagen, yung isa walang collagen. Okay. Sa end ng study po, ano nakita? Those taking the calcium, vitamin D, and collagen, yung tatlo na pinagsama-sama, had significantly lower blood levels of proteins that promotes bone breakdown. Okay? So, lesser ang bone breakdown than those who took only calcium and vitamin D. Which means, the collagen group also had lower loss of bone mineral density. So, mas matibay yung buto pag may calcium ka na, may vitamin D ka pa, at may collagen ka pa. Okay? Isa pang study, ano sinabi? Okay? 66 postmenopausal women who took 5 grams. Again, pasok tayo, 6 grams of collagen daily for 12 months. Kaya dire-diretsuhin ko talaga to. Ano sinabi po? Those who took the collagen exhibited an increase of up to 7% in their bone mineral density. Tumibay ang buto compared sa mga hindi umiinom ng collagen. So, doon pa lang, again, my dear leaders, especially sa mga ka-age group ko po, kailangan po natin patibayin ng buto natin, and one of which that we need, of course, to take is, of course, what? Collagen. Okay? Pangapat, isa pa to. Pag tumatanda, makikita mo yung mga muscle lumiliit, luminipis. Ito po, may boost muscle mass. Anong sinabi? Pakinggan niyo po ito ha. The most abundant protein in the body, collagen, is an important component ng ating mga skeletal muscles. Okay? So, yung mga nakadikit sa mga buto natin, those are the skeletal muscles. Sabi nga po, yung mga panggalaw ng kamay, panggalaw ng paa, skeletal muscles naman, panggalaw ng leeg natin, ng ulo. Ito po yan. Ang sabi ng studies, that collagen supplements help boost muscle mass in people with sarcopenia. Ano yung sarcopenia? Sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass that happens again with age. Ang sakit, ano? So, inuul ko, inevitable. It is bound to happen. Now, 12-week study. Kaya gusto ko itong part na to eh. Anong sinasabi? 27 older men with this condition took 15 grams of collagen while participating in an exercise program. Okay? Anong nangyari? Compared to men who exercise but didn't take collagen, yung mga nagtitake ng collagen, they gain significantly more muscle mass and strength. Mas malakas po sila. Ang laking advantage. Again, it's very important for us to exercise, pero mas maganda po talaga kung may kasamang collagen intake. Anong sinabi ng mga research? That supplemental collagen may promote the synthesis of muscle proteins such as what? Creatine, as well as stimulate muscle growth after an exercise. See? So, inuulit ko po ha. Yan, sabi ninyo, napapalakpak si ninyo, no? Kasi ang ganda po talaga ng function ng collagen. Now, what else? Doon lang ba? Muscle lang ba? Buto lang ba? Skin lang ba? May promote heart health. Ito na po. Kailangan natin to. Anong sinasabi? Sabi ng mga research, they have theorized that collagen supplements may help reduce the risk of heart conditions. Why? How? Collagen provides structure to your arteries. Okay, yung blood vessels po natin. Ito po yung nagbibitbit ang dugo away from the heart. Papunta po sa mga cells natin, sa mga tissues natin. The blood vessels that carry blood from your heart to the rest of your body, without enough collagen, arteries may become less flexible and hindi na siya magiging ganun ka-elastic. So we need collagen para yung mga blood vessels po natin, yung mga arteries natin, maging elastic, maging flexible, nagdadilate, nagko-constrict. Paliwanag po tayo doon. O nagko-contract, nagdadilate, sabi nga po. Now, this may lead to what? Atherosclerosis. Ano yung atherosclerosis? The hardening and thickening of the blood vessel wall that will lead to what? Narrowing of your arteries. Pag sumikip, tumigas ang blood vessels natin, kumakapal kasi yung wall ng blood vessels, anong pwede mangyari? Heart attack and even stroke. Uy, sakit nun. So again, do we need our arteries to be elastic? To dilate? Yes! Anong ginawa? 6-month study naman to. Malikatagalan to. 31 healthy adults took 16 grams of collagen daily. Pwede ka ba dumalawa? Yes. Especially kung ang habol mo, blood vessels natin, they had experienced a significant reduction in measures of artery stiffness from its study's beginning to its end. Now, my dear leaders, yung levels po ng HDL good cholesterol, okay, the good carriers of cholesterol, rose by an average of 6%. At yung HDL pong yan is an important factor in the risk of heart conditions including what? Atherosclerosis. As you can see here, talagang maganda po ang collagen, pati po sa puso at blood vessel po natin. Are we clear? Yan. Okay. And there will be other health benefits na pwede nating banggitin. Hair and nails, mas lalong tumitibay po. Gut health, sabi nga, naiiwasan natin yung leaky gut syndrome. Okay. Brain health is also important po, sabi nga po natin dyan. So, Some people claim that they improve mood and reduce anxiety symptoms. And of course, weight loss. Proponents believe that collagen supplements may promote weight loss and faster metabolism. That's it. Okay, so doon pa lang, okay, kitang-kita na po natin kung gaano po kaganda yung collagen natin. Yan, si James Pelais napapa-thumbs up. Okay? Sabi ni Ma'am Nancy Aliviano, wow, super. Very good. Thank you very much po. Ngayon, Doc, anong kailangan gawin? You can always help your body make collagen naturally by eating a well-balanced diet full of healthy foods. Yun lang naman yun. Let's try to make it simple again. Iwasan natin yung mga unhealthy foods. Okay? Yung mga processed foods. Okay? Yung mga junk foods. Yung mga sobrang matatamis na mga pagkain. Yan. Because a well-balanced diet includes what? Chicken, beef, fish, dairy eggs, beans, leafy greens, other vegetables, whole grains, citrus fruits. Okay? And to improve the damage of the collagen in your skin, don't smoke. Yun na. Okay, don't smoke. Avoid secondhand smoke and wear sunscreen every day. Ang dami requirements pero ang ganda pa pag sinunod natin. Okay, so now, what else? Ito na. And of course, I glow 24/7. Yan. Sabi nga, Doc, it's biologically fermented, definitely. Okay, i-open ko na po ito, ha. 6,000 milligrams collagen per packet. Yes. Ganun kaganda po. Smaller and shorter molecular structure. Yes. Okay. Bawasan ko muna yung kape ko para maganda usapan. Hydrolyzed, sabi nga po, water po ang ginamit para yung chemical structure po niya lumiit. And dahil po maliit po ang kanyang molecular weight, o baba ang kanyang molecular weight, sabi nga po natin, yung Dalton niya, papakita ko sa inyo, mabilis po ma-absorb. With patented enzymolysis, with clinical studies, more biological available. Yun ang gusto namin mga doktor, yung clinical studies. And more effective. Odorless, tasteless, yeah. Okay? Now, ang tanong, Doc, saan ko pwedeng ihalo yan? Kape. Ito, hinahalo ko na po sa Liben Coffee natin. May choco, pwede rin. Vida Drink Mix, Vida Drink Mix, pwede rin po. Mati Iced Tea, pwede rin po. Okay? Kahit nga po sa mga sopas, pwede rin. Basta matutunaw po siya, then that's good. Uy, sayang po yung powder. Todo natin, ha? Todo natin, okay? Para yung 6 grams, kuhang-kuha natin. Yan na po. Okay, tinotodo ko na. Okay, sayang eh. Okay, yan. Taktak natin para maganda po usapan. Yan, very good. Then, syempre stir natin yan. Okay? Ito po yun, ha? Okay, ito po yan. Now, stir ko na po. Okay, para makita nyo. Okay. Yun, ang magandang usapan. Okay. Dapat syempre mas maganda kung tunaw na tunaw po. Ngayon, habang tinitimpla ko po ito, habang ni-stir ko, ito na. Anong ginamit, mga kapatid? Patented enzymolysis technology. Small molecules, high absorption, okay? Kinumpara po sa ordinary collagen, common hydrolyzed collagen peptide, yung iGlow 24/7 na biofermented collagen peptide. And look at the molecular weight. Yung iba, 100,000 to 300,000. Yung isa naman, 2,000. Pero yung sa atin, 300 to 700 Daltons lang. Ang gaan. Okay? Kaya yung structure nito, short linear structure, napaka-igsi. Now, when you talk about absorption, hindi ko na babanggitin yung iba kasi mababa talaga yung absorption rate nila eh. Okay? Ito pa yung magandang binanggit dito. It can be directly absorbed by the small intestine without decomposition. Hindi ba sinabi ko kanina, pag kumain ka ng mga collagen-rich food, kailangan muna ng enzymes ng digestive system para ma-absorb. Ito kasi, hydrolyzed na eh. Okay? So, mabilis lang ma-absorb ng ating pong GIT or gastrointestinal tract. Delivered to the skin to effectively synthesize skin collagen. It is 7 times higher absorption rate than common hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Yun po yun. Ganong kaganda po yung produkto natin. At syempre, inumin ko na. Okay? Para po maganda usapan kasi sabi ko nga, kailangan ko inumin to. Why? I'm 54, turning 55 na po eh. Kailangan natin pangalagaan yung hindi lang yung balat natin, pati boto, pati muscle. And I'm gonna drink my collagen. Yan. Yan po. Ang sarap. Sayang. Yun na po. Nainom ko na. The best. Okay? The best. So, Na-expect ko, lahat tayo dapat. We should take our product kasi napakaganda po sa katawan. Okay? Now, benta mo pa lang, tapos na usapan. Kumita ka na ng malaki. Pati mga points, talagang sabi nga, mag-benefit po tayo. Ngayon, eto na. Yun yung first part. Ito yung second part. Okay? Ito na yung pinakabagong produkto natin. Okay? The new Premium Serum. Ito na. Okay? Ito ano yan? iGlow Serum Hydrolyzed Collagen Tripeptide. Kanina, ang bilanggit ko, peptide lang. Collagen peptide. Okay? Hydrolyzed collagen peptide. Ngayon, hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide. When we say tripeptide, which I'm gonna explain to you later on para, smallest structural unit of collagen with strong permeability, gaano katindi ang absorption sa penetration? 99% sa skin. And again, the absorption rate is faster. It can directly be absorbed and deposited in the skin, helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and helps keep skins moisture. Why? Para pag hinahawakan, malambot hawakan, hindi dry. Yan. Okay, So, let's start. Game. Definition, hydrolysis. A chemical reaction in which water is used to break down a compound. Ang ginamit po, tubig. Is achieved by breaking a covalent bond in the compound by inserting a water molecule across the bond. Yun. Kaya safe na safe po ito. Maganda po ang pagkakagawa po dito. Now, what else? Ito na. Ang tanong, ano ba yung collagen tripeptide by the Central Research Institute of Jellies Company Limited? Yan. Explain ko po sa inyo. The collagen present in foods, yung in-explain ko kanina, yung mga nakakain natin, is a chain of about 3,000 pieces of amino acids. Ang dami. 3,000. Okay? Ngayon, general collagen supplements consist of a chain of about 30 to 100 pieces of amino acid. Yung mga collagen supplements daw po, okay, 30 to 100 pieces of amino acid. Pero, ito yung sinasabi, those two types of collagen are too big to be absorbed as they are by our intestines. Pero inulit ko po yung sa atin kasi hydrolyzed Okay, ito po, this is hydrolyzed. Kaya na-absorb na ng balat. Pero yung mga ordinary mga gumagawa ng mga collagen supplements, hindi ka agad na-absorb yon. Okay? Now, they are delivered into our body after digestion by the gastrointestinal enzymes. So, luckily, may matitibay po tayong mga GIT enzymes na talagang nakakatulong para mabilis ma-absorb yan. Yan. Now, collagen tripeptides, minimum unit of collagen consists of what? Ito na. Ito na yung collagen tripeptide. 3 amino acids lang. So, paigsin ko, CTP differs from conventional collagens. It is absorbed by the intestinal tract directly. So, pag mga collagen tripeptide, mabilis ma-absorb ng intestinal tract natin. Pero, ang pinag-uusapan kasi natin, serum. Okay, hindi na po oral. Okay, baka kasi mamaya, sabi niyo, Doc, the GIT, hindi. Ito kasing serum natin, sa balat to. Kaya pag-usapan natin to, even more surprisingly, collagen tripeptide has the innovative characteristics of being absorbed by collagen-affiliated organs, such as skin, bones, cartilages, and tendons preferentially. But again, when you talk about this product, we're talking about the skin of the face and the neck. Yan. Para maliwanag po sa ating mga listeners, Okay. So, type niyo po dyan. iGlow Serum. Okay. For our facial skin. Yan. iGlow Serum for our facial skin. Type niyo po dyan. Okay? Ngayon, moreover, various functions of collagen tripeptide have been confirmed. Okay, marami na. Anong ginagawa? Activation of the body's ability to produce new collagen and hyaluronic acid making bones and tendons stronger and so on. Now, ito na po. Doc, sige, linawin natin The following link shows the relationships between the whole amino acid sequence of type 1 collagen and collagen tripeptide. My dear leaders, look at this. Ito na. Explain ko na po. Game na tayo, Yan, tina. Sige, type niyo po. iGlow Serum. Okay. For our facial skin. Yan. Okay, good. Ang collagen molecules, triple helical structure, gaano karami? A number of amino acids per a molecule of collagen is approximately 3,000 pieces. Grabe, ang dami. Okay, ngayon, general collagen peptide. that underwent heating, degradation, or even hydrolysis. Approximately 30 to 100 pieces na lang. Okay? Pero, pag sinabi niyong tripeptide, a minimum unit of collagen, size 1,000. Okay, 1 out of 1,000 ng collagen molecules. 3 pieces, yan na po yung pinakamaliit. Okay, it is the smallest amongst the smallest when you talk about what? Collagen. That's the tripeptide. Okay, klaro? Hydrolyzed collagen tripeptide. So, Doc, very good. Ano ngayon ang mapupulot natin doon? Ano ngayon ang benefits noon? Ganito ho yan. Collagen tripeptide against conventional peptide. Ang collagen tripeptide is quickly absorbed because it has the minimum unit size, 3 amino acids as body's collagen. Kaya kahit sa balat po, ma-absorb yan. Ang conventional peptide is too big to be absorbed because of its molecular weight. And those are absorbed after decomposition by digestive enzymes in the body. So, doon pa lang alam mo na. Okay, that when you talk about absorption, madaling ma-absorb yung collagen tripeptide. Are we clear? Yan. So, itype niyo po dyan, ha? Itype niyo po. Collagen tripeptide, easily absorbed. Yan. Okay, ha? Easily absorbed. Very good. Let's continue with this. So, ang tanong ngayon, ano yung mga composition niya? Ano yung mga components? Okay? Number 1 sa hyaluronic acid. Doc, sa sa Chok Glow natin, meron ding hyaluronic acid. Yes! So, anong function? Hyaluronic acid, also known as what? Hyaluronan or hyaluronate, is a gooey, slippery substance that your body produces naturally. At sabi pa ng mga scientists, they have found out that hyaluronic acid throughout the body, okay, scientists have found hyaluronic acid throughout the body, especially where? In our eyes, joints, and skin. But again, I would like to clarify, hindi pang mata ito. Maliwanag pa, pang skin po ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon. Okay? Facial skin, and of course, the neck. Yan. Very good. Let's continue. Sige po. I-type pa natin. Okay? Type natin i-type dyan. Okay? Eye Glow Serum. Okay, now, ano ang mga magagawa ng hyaluronic acid para po sa atin? Okay? Let me try to clarify the benefits of hyaluronic acid. Number 1, it helps things move smoothly. Kailangan ba natin yon? Yes. Especially as we age, definitely. It helps our joints work like a well-oiled machine. Okay? It helps prevent pain and injury from bones grinding against each other. Lalo na pag may mga osteoarthritis na. So, napiprevent natin yun, which is so good. Pangalawa, it helps keep things hydrated. Anong ginagawa ng hyaluronic acid? Very good at retaining water. Okay? A quarter teaspoon of hyaluronic acid holds about 1.5 gallons of water. Kaya nga po yung hyaluronic acid is often used for treating dry eyes. It's also used where? In moisturizing creams, lotions, ointments, and serums. But I would like to clarify, hindi ito pang mata. Yan. Dapat maliwanag na maliwanag, ha? Pang balat po ito. Okay? Ano pang ginagawa sa balat? It makes your skin flexible, which is so good. Helps skin stretch and flex and reduces skin wrinkles and lines. And it's also proven to help wounds heal faster and can reduce scarring. Yun ang kagandahan. Kaya nasabi ko sa inyo, isa pa lang yan sa components po. Okay, ng ating eye glow. Okay, so ang ganda na po sa balat kaagad. Now, may 10 benefits po na nakita ko sa internet, okay, ng hyaluronic acid. It provides weightless moisture. It provides antioxidant benefits. Okay, so meron din siya antioxidant properties. Revitalizes the skin's outer layer. Okay, it smooths fine lines and wrinkles. It helps draw and retain moisture. Reduces inflammation or swelling, maximizes collagen levels, promotes skin tone, daming function. It helps improve texture and improves skin elasticity. Yun ang magandang usapan. Yan. Okay, pag hinawakan, bumabalik agad. Elastic pa. Okay, now, what else, Doc? So, the new premium serum. Anong ginagawa? To sum it up, okay, hyaluronic acid for the skin. Long-term use of hyaluronic acid serum on your skin or in a supplement taken by mouth. Okay? Either skin or by mouth can improve overall skin health. So, kung ina-apply mo na to sa skin mo at umiinom ka pa nito, aba, ang ganda ng usapan niya pag nagkataon. It's also great for helping improve overall skin flexibility and elasticity, meaning it makes your skin more stretchy and soft. So, pwede mo nang mag-chok-chok glow ka, okay, sa mukha mo. Tapos, pag na-dry na, apply mo na to. And to add strength, okay, to your skin, collagen, I Glow 24/7. Ganda ng kombinasyon ng mga yan. Okay? So, ilagay niyo po doon, perfect combination. Yan, perfect combination. Okay? So, Chok Chok Glow, I Glow Serum, I Glow 24/7. Now, eto na. Eto na po yung 7 herbs. Kasi, sa normal discussion po natin, sabihin ko lang po lagi doon, 7 herbs. Yan. Pero dito po, isa-isahin natin. Number 1, Rehmannia chinensis root extract by pauluschoice.com. Anong ginagawa po nito? I'm gonna make it simple. I go straight to the point, okay? It's a source of vitamins C and D and exhibits anti-aging properties when applied topically. Okay, yun ang kagandahan po niyan. Diretso nga po sabi sa mukha natin, okay? And it's part of this product, iGlow Serum. Some studies indicate that it can also help diminish the appearance of what? Dark spots and uneven tone. So, yung skin mo, pantay yung kulay. Okay? Gandang tingnan. Okay? So, very good. Yan. Uy, nakita ko sila. Amazing product. Yan. I love easy products, sabi ni Erin Visagas. Sabi ni Belbina kanina, wow, amazing products. Very good. Sige, comment pa tayo dyan. What else? Pangalawa, Tremelia mushrooms. Ano naman po ito? Okay? Intense benefits for your skin regardless of your skin type. Okay? Sabi nga, ito po ay mga nutrient-rich veggie. Okay? Intense benefits for skin regardless of your skin type. Okay? So, anong functions? 6 to nakita ko about Tremelia mushroom. Kasi nga, sabi, intense benefit for skin eh. Boost hydration. Anong sinasabi po? It's a natural source of hyaluronic acid na kanina nakita niyo po yung significance. Okay? So, kung meron pong hyaluronic acid ito, it has the ability to bind water molecules in our skin, and Tremelia mushrooms can retain water and maintain your skin's moisture levels. Doon pa lang, kota na. Next, increases collagen production. Importante rin yan, okay? Rich in plant collagen, which is a combination of essential nutrients, vitamin C, and of course, amino acid. When combined, these nutrients, binanggit ko kanina, can boost collagen levels and helps our skin become stronger and of course, healthier. So kung mapapasin nyo, itong mga components na ito, itong mga herbs na ito, talagang may synergistic effect. Minimizes appearance of fine lines. Uy, lahat tayo, gusto natin yung mabawasan yan. Because of its collagen-boosting properties and moisturizing benefits, Tremelia mushrooms may also help reduce the appearance of fine lines. So, gumaganda yung skin natin. And that will be good, of course. Okay? What else? Parami ng parami. So, sige po, invite pa tayo ng mga kasama natin for them to really see the beauty of taking the so-called new products of the company iGlow. Yan, okay. What else? Diretso ko. Antioxidant support. Uy, kailangan ng skin yun. Okay, mataas daw po ang kanyang antioxidants, which will protect our skin from free radical damage that can cause what? Premature aging. And again, ito pong mga antioxidant properties may also be beneficial in reducing what? The severity of hyperpigmentation and promoting an even skin tone. Again, even skin tone na naman ang pinag-uusapan. What else? Anti-inflammatory properties. Okay? Which can be helpful if you experience redness and swelling caused by what? O sa mga tagyawatin and other skin irritants, gamitin niyo po ito. Okay na? Kabawas po yan ng pamumula ng ating mga muka. Okay? Pati na rin po, mababawasan din po yung mga tinatawag na mga swelling or inflammation. Now, and finally, isa pang function niya, supports vitamin D levels. Let me try to clarify. It is rich in vitamin D. It has a wide variety of benefits for your skin's health. And when you talk about vitamin D, it can also help support your skin's hydration levels due to its high levels of polysaccharides. Hindi lang po Okay. As most carbs found in nature are polysaccharides, these carbohydrates helps your skin retain moisture, and increases its overall hydration levels. So, hindi siya nagiging dry. Pag hindi siya dry, syempre po, masarap hawakan. Okay, at the same time po, nakakabawas po ng wrinkles natin. Now, next, gentian or Gentiana scabra is a perennial herb that grows in many areas of China, Russia, Korea, and Japan. Okay? Ano sinasabi po dito? The roots and rhizomes of gentian can be used in medicine to protect the liver and bile. And in skincare products for its what? Skin conditioning benefits. So, doon pa lang, again, lamang na ulit. What else? Okay? Yung mga pictures po, yan po yan. Nakita ko po sa internet. Okay? Those are the yung mga roots po na extract po ng ating mga herbs na components. Glycyrrhiza, okay, glabra. Okay, ano sinasabi po dito? Is a plant extract that offers skin soothing properties. Maganda yon. It can be effective in improving the look of an uneven skin tone. And one of its components, known as glabridin, is a potent antioxidant and skin-soothing ingredient. Kaya nga po sinasabi po dito, which is why licorice often shows up in products meant for sensitive and reddened skin. So, try nyo po. Napakaganda rin po nito. What else? Then, what is Centella? Centellia asiatica. Okay. Ito po can be good for your skin in many ways. This multitasking antioxidant, again, okay, has been shown to have soothing and protective properties, which contributes to skin-enhancing qualities. And these attributes what? Helps calm our skin. Para relax na relax daw po yung pakiramdam ng ating mga balat. Okay? Sopora, angustifolia, root extract. Okay? So, Doc, anong function po nito? Okay, like all plant extracts has antioxidant benefits. However, ito na po yan ha. Ito na naman. However, okay, the most exciting news is research showing it could be another addition to the arsenal of ingredients that can reduce the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. So again, makikita mo talaga yung balat mo, pantay ang kulay. Okay? Ano sinasabi ng studies? Has the potential to inhibit excess melanin production in a method similar to hydroquinone. So yung mga tinatawag po nating mga darkly pigmented melanins po, may inhibit po. And it can be able to stimulate the production of the lightly pigmented melanin o yung tinatawag na mga peomelanin. Yan. Okay, What else? Okay? And of course, the Artemisia capillaris extract. Ano naman po ito? It has multiple benefits to nourish and calm skin. It soothes inflammation, redness, and acne. It nourishes dull, tired skin to promote healthy glow and strengthens skin barrier and reduces premature signs of aging. My dear leaders, doon pa lang po sa mga sinabi ko po sa inyo talaga napakaganda po ng components po ng ating produkto. And to sum it up, okay, ang collagen tripeptide na pinakamaliit ang structure, 3 amino acid, delivers superior results with its smaller molecular size, number 1. Ang hyaluronic acid promotes what? Firmness and skin elasticity for a younger looking skin. Kasi di ba, nahatak nga po niya yung water, nare-retain niya. And ang 7 bioherbs na binanggit ko kanina, SkinCeuticals, are components that will promote skin cell rejuvenation that locks in moisture, creating a healthy, fresh, and of course, glassy skin. And my dear leaders, iGlow Serum Hydrolyzed Collagen Tripeptide, pag ginamit mo to, your skin will never be the same again. Wow! Okay, so, i-type niyo po yan. I-type niyo po, iGlow Serum. iGlow Serum is the best. Okay? Type niyo po yan. iGlow Serum is the best. And for me to prove it to you, ito na po yan. Okay? Pakinggan mabuti po. Kinumpara, ordinary collagen serum, collagen peptide serum, and iGlow 24/7 collagen tripeptide serum. Dalton pa lang po, less than 500. Yung iba po, 3,000 to 5,000, 100,000 to 300,000. Paano ma-absorb yun? Ang hirap. Sa atin, 3 amino acids lang. Sa iba, hanggang 1,000. Ang hirap po nun. Okay? What else? Structure is short line structure. And when you talk about absorption, it's 95 to 99%. At ang degree of skin absorption, sa iba bad, sa iba good, sa atin perfect. And I would like to inform you, my dear leaders, it's formulated where? In Korea. Yun yun. Okay? Now, ito po yan. Binanggit ko na yung produkto eh. Maganda po talaga eh. Sinabi na nga po, iGlow Serum is the best. Yes, it's really the best. Okay? Pero may proper way po talaga na sinusunod sa skincare routine. Sabi nga po dito, beautiful skin, cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Now, ito yung mga na-research po natin. The correct order to apply your skincare routine, mabusisi pala talaga. Sinashare ko lang po sa inyo ha. Day and night, twice a day ang pag-a-apply. Okay? Cleanse, toner exfoliants, face mist, eye cream, serum, face oil, moisturizer, and SPF pa. Grabe, ano? Pag sa gabi naman, first cleanse, second cleanse, retinol exfoliants, then eye cream, serum, face oil, night cream. Grabe. So, ganun pala. Okay, ganun pala talaga yung proseso. Now, Doc, ano bang difference ng cleanser sa ng toner? Okay, ba't do kailangan cleanser muna bago toner? Ang cleanser po is a skincare product that removes dirt, oil, makeup, dead skin cells, and other pollutants from the skin. Lalo pa yung mga nagme-makeup, kailangan yan. Toner is a liquid cosmetic for cleansing the skin and contracting the pores para pa yung mga mikrobyo hindi ka agad makakapasok. Okay? Now, cleanser removes dirt, oil, makeup, dead skin cells, and other pollutants from the skin. Ang toner po, clean the skin, close the pores, moisturize the skin, and balance the pH of the skin. Pero ang cleanser talaga, to some extent, pantulong yan. Why? It's applied before the toner. Siyempre, linisin mo na yung mukha mo. Then, ang toner po, applied before face serum or moisturizers. Yun po yun. So, ang tamang proseso, cleanser, toner, serum. Clear? Next. So, Doc, toner. After cleansing, tama po. Why should you use a toner? Number 1, it is an excellent way to hydrate the skin. Good. Number 2, it resets skin's pH after cleansing. So, bumabalik po yung pH ng ating balat sa mukha. Okay? And a toner can also what? Balance the oil, soothes the skin, and brightens the skin of your face. Side effects, moisturizers and serum absorbs better. Side benefits, I'm sorry. Side benefits, okay? Moisturizers and serums absorb better pag gumamit ka muna ng toner. You don't need to use as much moisturizer. And makeup goes on more smoothly. Okay. Now, ang tanong, do you know toners help? Yes, remove leftovers from your skin, restores the pH balance of the skin, prepares the skin for the serum, and again, calms and soothes. Now, face serum. Ang tanong, do we really need them in our face care routine? Yes, of course. Bakit? Okay? Eto yan eh. Benefits of face serum, I would like to explain to you. First, delivers potent active ingredients to your skin. Second, feels light on your skin. Alam mo, pag in-apply mo talaga to, if you're gonna apply, this is, ina-apply ko to umaga-gabi. Ang sarap ng hawakan ng mukha, ang dulas. Sabi nga po nila talagang well-hydrated yung mukha mo. Third, make for an excellent makeup base. Pang-apat, make your skin feel nourished from the inside. Yun yun. Ang lambot hawakan, hindi siya, mawawala yung dryness ng balat pag nag-a-apply ka nito. Ano pa po? Penetrate the deep layers of your skin without feeling greasy. 6, come in many different types and categories. Ito po yung sa atin. 7, can cater to your individual skin type. And number 8, can target specific skin tissues. Face serum benefits, hydrates and tones, brightens the complexion, reduces the fine lines, dark spot correction, and firms and smooths skin. Tama po yan. Pag naglagay kayo ng serum natin, from the face hanggang liig po. Okay? So, ano nangyayari po? Pag sa wrinkles, titigan niyo po ha. Yung kanan hindi nag-serum, yung kaliwa nag-serum. Wrinkles, 88% decrease of fine lines and wrinkles. Kailangan natin yon. Dark circles, it is 86% decreases of dark circles. Dry skin, 96% increase of skin moisture. Kaya kailangan talaga natin. Okay? Ako ho, mabilis po mag-flakes yung mukha ko because I'm suffering from seborrheic dermatitis. But again, ito po, for the past more than 1 week na ginagamit ko, talagang maganda po. Visible pores, 75% reduction, okay, of the appearance of pores. Low on collagen, 89% slows down collagen depletion. Uy, importante. Tandaan nyo, as we age, talagang yung collagen depletion, di mo mapipigilan. Okay? Pero ito, nakakabawas po. And under eye bags, 79% decrease of under eye bags. But again, please be careful. Hindi po dapat siya tatama sa mata nyo. Okay? Kasi it might irritate your eyes. Maliwanag po tayo. Pambalat lang po talaga ito. And sabi nga po, Doc, paano ginagamit? Ino-open lang po ito. Napaka-sterile. Bakit? Pipisilin mo lang, oh. Papatak na po yan. Okay? Then, ilagay mo sa daliri mo. Tapos, pag in-apply mo sa mukha mo, kung ginagawa ko talaga, in circular motion. Okay? In circular motion. Talagang ang sarap po pag ginagamit po natin yan. Your new favorite serum, Eye Glow Serum, Hydrolyzed Collagen Tripeptide that gives you the glow. Yeah. Okay, Okay. So, palakpakan natin. Sabi mo dyan, Eye Glow Serum, Eye Glow 24/7, the perfect combination. Ayos. Good. Direct. Yan. Ayos tayo. Very good. Yon. Balikan natin mamaya yung mga announcements natin. But again, there are certain questions na laging tinatanong sa atin na dapat po, alam niyo po kung ano yung sasagot natin. Okay, direct. Okay, bago natin pakita yung mga questions, direct pakita mo muna yung ating mga requirements pag sila ay nagtanong na. Okay. Ito, for consultation age ng kliyente, doctor's diagnosis, laboratory results, and of course, yung mga present medications na binigay ng doktor. So that when I recommend the products of the company, maibibigay ko po kaagad, okay, yung tamang produkto po sa inyo pong mga kliyente po na itatanong. Okay? Direct, pwede na tayo. And, yan. Sige. Simulan natin yung mga questions natin. Pero may message ko sa'yo, direct. Yan. Good. Yon. Okay. Good. Yan. Number 1. Question, direct. Pakita mo na. Okay. So, kung kayo pa may mga katanungan na, pakitanong na po. Okay. Lagay nyo na po dyan. Okay. Para po masimulan na po natin ang Q&A natin. Okay. So, number 1 question. At what age can we recommend our eye glow products? Ito na. Okay. Alam niyo po, I've done my research so many times. Okay. And sabi ng iba, teenager, 13, 14, 15, sabi po pwede. Okay. Para po pag nagde-develop ang katawan niya, makakatulong po yung collagen. Sabi naman ng iba, 18, sabi ng iba 21, 25, after 25 years old. Pero ako talaga, usually, I give it at the age of 18. Pwede na po yun. Safe na po yan. Okay? Sa eye glow serum, 18 din, pwede na. Okay, pero kung gusto mo talaga, lalo na pag sa mga wrinkles ang usapan natin, 26. Okay? Pero if you would like to add, sabi nga yung magandang tone ng ating mukha, strength sa ating skin, sa facial skin, okay? Mas hydrated yung mukha. Should I say, mas magiging supple yung mukha natin, okay? Hindi siya magda-dry. 18. Pwede mo nang simulan po yan. But below that, wag naman po. Tama na mo yung 18 years old po yan. Okay? So, next question, direct. So, age po yun What is the recommended dosage for iGlow 24/7 and serum? Sa akin, once a day is good enough. Pero katulad po ng sinabi ko, kung kayo po mag-exercise, okay, kung gusto niyo po maganda yung blood vessels niyo, pwede ka lamang dumalawa. Okay, pero once a day of iGlow 24/7, good enough. Okay? Now, sa iGlow Serum, sinabi ko na po kanina, konting patak lang. Okay? Tapos, massage nyo na po. Twice a day po yan. Umaga at bago matulog sa gabi. Yun po yun. Okay? What else? What products of the company can we combine with iGlow? Sinabi ko na kanina, Chok Glow muna. Siyempre, panghugas ng mukha. Tapos, gamit po tayo ng iGlow Serum. Pwede kang uminom ng iGlow 24/7. At syempre po, para sa akin, vitamin C. C Supreme. Magandang i-combine po yan. Yun. Yun ang talagang, tapos pwede mo rin dagdagan ng C24/7 sa complete. Okay? Para yung ibang mga minerals na kailangan natin, okay, for collagen production and synthesis, mas mapapakilabangan pa po ng gusto. So, those are the products that we can combine with our iGlow products. Okay? What else? Kailan natin hindi dapat i-rekomenda? Meron siyempre mga sitwasyon. Of course, pag kayo po ay may kidney problems, especially pag may kidney stones or end-stage renal disease or chronic renal failure, wag. Lalo na pag may liver problem like cirrhosis naman po, talagang mga full-blown na po yung cirrhosis, wag din po. Okay? So, aside from which, safe naman po ang ating iGlow. Sabi ni ba, Doc, sa buntis, pwede ba yan? Sa nabasa ko, pwede. Sa mga nagbe-breastfeed, sa nabasa ko, pwede po. But still, you have to ask, of course, yung permission po from the attending physician, from the OB-GYN. Para naman po, syempre, to give due respect sa mga attending physicians po. Yan. Okay?